First, I would like to invite Meet. Meet, come on the stage. Meet will let you know about parts of speech. How many parts of speech there are in English language? One by one, he will have to explain.
There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun is a word which is used to express the name of a person, place, or a thing. Example: Mukesh is the name of a person, and laptop is the name of a thing, or Palla is the name of a place. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun. Example: he, she, it, etc. Adjective is a word which is used to add something in the place of, in the meaning of the noun and pronoun. Example: smart, ugly, etc. Verb is a word which is used to express the action, emotion, or feeling. Example: come, go, talk, walk, etc. Adverb is a word which is used to add something in the meaning of a word. Example: fast, slow. Preposition is a word which is used to set a relation between noun, pronoun, or a thing. Example: below, above, under, on, etc. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two words, sentences, etc. Example: and, but also, etc. Interjection is a word which is used to express some sudden feeling. Example: ouch, wonderful, oh my God, thank you.
Very good. Yes. Students, parts of speech.
There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. First, noun. Noun is the name of person, place, or thing. For an example: Agra, laptop, Mohan. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. For an example: he, she, it, etc. Adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies or disqualifies noun or pronoun. For an example: ugly, smart, beautiful, etc. Verb. A verb is a word that expresses accident, emotion, feeling, action, etc. For an example: cry, go, come, etc. Adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. For an example: quick, hurry, etc. Preposition is a word which is used to set the relation between noun, pronoun, or a thing. For an example: above, in, on, below, etc. Conjunction is a word which is used to words, sentences, plosive tenses, etc. For an example: and, but, etc. An interjection is a word that expresses some certain feelings. For an example: wow, beautiful, etc.
Ankur, parts of speech.
There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. For an example, Mohan is the name of place of nouns. For an example, he, she, it, etc. Adjective. Adjective is a word which is express some, add something,
Which qualifies?
which qualify and qualifies
I don't know.
as a noun, etc. For an example,
Okay, next time अच्छी तैयारी है. Give a big hand. Swati, parts of speech. Swati, it's my humble request just to speak out in a loud voice so that all they can listen to you.
There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. For an example, Mohan. Mohan is the name of a person. Chalta Bihar. Chalta Bihar is the name of a place. Table. Table is the name of a thing. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. For an example, he, she, we, you, etc. Verb. Verb is a word which is used to express an emotion, feeling, and action. And for example, try, do, etc. Adverb. Adverb is a word which is used, which adds something to the meaning of a word. For example, quick, hurry, etc. Adjective. Adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. For example, good, smart, beautiful, etc. Preposition. Preposition is a word which is used to set the relation between noun, pronoun, and thing. For an example, in, into, on, below, etc. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentences, clauses, or words. And for example, but, and, etc. Interjection. Interjection is a word which is used to express some sudden feelings. And for example, oh, ouch, alas, etc.
Swati, how are you feeling? थोड़ा डर लग रहा है? First time you have spoken? No problem. Day by day, you will keep on gaining your confidence level. Give her a big hand. Amit, the story of a woodcutter.
Good evening, everybody. I am going to narrate a story of woodcutter. Once there was a woodcutter. His name was Ramlal. He had been working in a company for last 5 years, but he hadn't got the raise. At the same time, company had another person whose name was Shamlal. Shamlal got the raise within a month. Particular this thing caused disappointment in Ramlal. Ramlal immediately went to his boss and asked, "Sir, how that person got the raise within a month? Still, I have been working in a company for last 5 years, but I haven't got the raise. Sir, what's the reason behind it?" Boss told him, "My dear son, you have been cutting the same number of trees you were cut 5 years ago. We have a result-oriented company. Our company wants the result." Ramlal came back. Ramlal go back and tried to cut back more and more trees, but he was unable. He again went to his boss and told about his dilemma. told about his dilemma. Boss told him, my dear son, something might be there, you and I don't know, but Shyamlal would to know it. It would be better for you to go to Shyamlal. Ramlal immediately went to Shyamlal and asked, my dear friend, how can you manage to cut us more and more trees? Shyamlal told him, my dear son, every tree after tree I cut, I take a rest for 2 minutes. In the meantime, I sharpen my axe. When was the last time you sharpened your axe? This question hit home like a bullet, and he got the answer because he had sharpened his axe 5 minutes ago.
Put your hands together. Same story, Anshuma.
Good evening, everybody. Today I will tell you a story. The story is woodcutter. Once there was a woodcutter. His name was Ramlal. He had been working in a company for last 5 years, but he never got the range. At the same time, company hired another person whose name was Shyamlal. Shyamlal got the range within a month. Particular, this thing caused excitement in Ramlal. Ramlal immediately went to his boss and asked, sir, how that person got the range within a month? I am working in a company for last 5 years, but I haven't got the range. Boss, sir, what's the reason behind it? Boss told him, my dear son, you were cutting for 5 years, you were cutting same number of trees, you were cutting for 5 years ago. We have a company, our oriented company wants the result. Ramlal come back and tried best more and more trees, but he was unable and told about his dilemma. He again to his boss and asked, sir, what should I do? So, boss told him, something might be there, you and I don't know, but Shyamlal ought to know. Now you go to Shyamlal, this is better for you. Ramlal immediately went to his Shyamlal and asked, my dear friend, how do we manage best more and more trees? Shyamlal told him, my dear friend, after every tree I cut, I take a rest for 2 minutes. It means each time I sharpen my axe. When was the last time you sharpen your axe? This question is home like a bullet. He had sharpened his axe 5 years ago.
Very good.
Shivani, parts of speech.
Here are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun is a word which is used as the name of the person and place of a thing. For an example, Ashok Bihar is a place. Laptop is the name of a thing. Ramesh is name of the person. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. For an example, he, she, it. Adjective is a word which is used something of noun and pronoun. And for an example, smart, beautiful, ugly. Verb is the word which is used to emotion expressed and feeling, etc. For an example, come, go, cry, walk, talk. Adjective, adverb is the word which is used to something of meaning of a verb. For an example, fast, slow, quick. Proposition is name of proposition is a word which is used to set the relation between of a noun pronoun a thing. For an example, below, until, below, until, etc. Conjunction is a word which is used to join to words, sentence, clause. For an example, but and both, etc. interjection. Interjection is a word which is used to sentence to expression sentence. For an example, wow, ouch, wonderful.
चेयर किसके हाथ में? बट शिवानी, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको याद नहीं था या इस तरीके से, ऐसा नहीं है आपकी तैयारी नहीं थी, आपकी तैयारी थी, समझ आए? लेकिन दिक्कत आपके साथ क्या हुई? आपको घबराहट नहीं पहुंचा है? कोई बात नहीं। स्टेज, इसे कहते हैं स्टेज फ्राइट। स्टेज से सबको डर लगता है, मुझे भी डर लगता था, बहुत डर लगता था। बेटा, इससे एक दिन में छुटकारा नहीं मिलेगा, बट यू वुड बी एबल टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम। इट विल टेक सम टाइम। एक दो बार और आओगे तो धीरे धीरे झिझक निकल जाएगी। लेकिन आपको कैसा लग रहा है अंदर से? कुछ तो अच्छा लग रहा है, राइट? इट विल टेक सम टाइम। जस्ट यू नीड टू बी along with your practice on daily basis. आप प्रैक्टिस कैसे करेंगे? जस्ट यू नीड टू stand in front of the mirror. In front of mirror, you can use your body gesture. Okay? Along with your body gesture, just noun. Noun is a word which is used as the name of a person, place or thing. You will have to speak out in this manner as you are used to speak out at your home, with your mom. Okay? With your pa, with your brother, with your sister. Right? You don't need to worry about it. What they are thinking about you, what about your neighbor, what they are thinking about you. No, you don't need to worry about it. Just you need to do the practice. And definitely, if you would hard work, definitely the result would come. कठिन मेहनत करने के रिजल्ट आते हैं ना, और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी भी हार नहीं होती। तो शाबाश बेटे, चिंता मत करो, है हम आपके साथ हैं। एक बार फिर से part of speech.
There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Noun is a word which is used as the name of a person, a place, or a thing. For an example, Rajesh is the name of a person. Asubhya is the name of a place. Laptop is the name of a thing, etc. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun. For an example, he, she, it, him, her, and they, etc. Adjective is a word which is used to qualify or disqualify either noun, pronoun, or a thing. For an example, smart, beautiful, ugly, etc. Verb is a word which is used to express action, emotion, and feeling. For an example, come, go, run, walk, talk, etc. Adverb. An adverb is a word which is used to qualify or disqualify noun or pronoun. For an example, fast, slow, quick, etc. Preposition is a word which is used to set the relation in noun or pronoun. For an example, in, into, below, above, etc. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentences, two words, and two clauses. For an example, and, not only, so, above, below, not, and, but, etc. Interjection. An interjection is a word which is due to some sudden feeling. For an example, oh, wow, wonderful, oh my God.
Very good. अभी आपने कई बार बोला फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इज रॉन्ग। आप बोलेंगे फॉर एग्जाम्पल। क्या? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट? Now, I would like to invite Deepu, Sagar, and Amit. Just please come on the stage. They would discuss about corruption because our country is suffering from the very bad element, from an illness, and that is corruption. So they will go for discussion. It would be a very short, brief discussion, but they would go on discussion on corruption. Do start.
People are often
made to give bribes to officials because of unfavorable economic, social or bureaucratic conditions. Officials may refuse to serve unless they are paid in those countries where state financial losses for business representatives or even health and liberty for citizens who need medical service and access to justice. Thank you.
In every society, there will be who try to beat the system. If the society is the moral, political, and unnatural, there will be more of them. Bribery is a serious crime which undermines the principle of the democracy and leads to the economic harm as well as the poor, the political and the harm which is very difficult. Thank you.
Survival corruption practiced by public servants is usually the result of small salaries, perhaps in highly inflationary economies which don't allow to them to make a living without bribery. Public administration would collapse altogether, as no one would have any incentive to get anything done. Thus, the level of corruption is determined by the poor economic situation of the country as well as by the policy of the government.
Right. Avni. अवनी डर लग रहा है? कोई बात नहीं, तैयार हो? इंटरव्यू ले आओ आपका है? नहीं ले तो आप ये बोलो जोर से, प्लीज आज नहीं कल तो दोगे ना इंटरव्यू है? पक्का प्रॉमिस? कल इंटरव्यू होगा, लेकिन मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, उनका आंसर देना, ऐसे नहीं जाना, ठीक है? आराम से। आपका नाम क्या है? अवनी मले। कितने बहन भाई हैं आप? कितने भाई हैं? एक। उसका क्या नाम है? आर्यन। आर्यन कैसा है? शरीफ बच्चा है या बदमाश है? बदमाश है। तो परेशान करता है तुझे? बहुत परेशान करता है। तो कभी कभी जब घर में अकेली होती है तो दिल करता है कि उसकी पिटाई कर दे, तो कर भी देती है या नहीं? नहीं करती। दिल करता है फिर भी नहीं करती। क्यों नहीं करती? डर लगता है मम्मी पापा पिटाई करेंगे, इसलिए। अच्छा, अगर मान लो किसी को ना बताऊं मैं और तू और आर्यन अकेले होंगे, तो उस दिन पिटाई करेंगे उसकी है? तो उस दिन मैं भी करूंगा साथ, ठीक है? उस दिन उसको अच्छी तरीके से बजाएंगे मेरे साथ। ओके। अच्छा, अभी आर्यन कहीं गया हुआ है, उसकी याद आती है? आर्यन के बिना दिल नहीं लग रहा? आर्यन के बिना रो रही है ना? ठीक है। अच्छा, तो अब कब होगा अगला इंटरव्यू? कल तैयार हो जाएगी पूरी तरह? कल रोएगी तो नहीं, यहाँ पे आके हंसेगी। कैसे हंसेगी? जोर से हंस के दिखा। हंस के दिखाओ। जोर से। ठीक है, बाय, थैंक यू। आप सबने परफॉर्मेंस दी, कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप? अच्छा, तो ये एक अच्छी बात है या नहीं? करा करें इस तरीके की परफॉर्मेंस, बट यू नीड टू बी रेडी, बिकॉज विदाउट रिहर्सल, विदाउट प्रैक्टिस, इट वॉन्ट बी द बेस्ट. If you want to make it the best, you need to do a lot of hard work. How are you feeling? Good. तो एक बार सभी के लिए आपस में जोरदार तालियां.
Thank you.